Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing slash haul video. I brought some things from Pretty Little Thing, and this is my order bag, or what it looks like. And it's huge. So yeah, let's get into it.
Told y'all I'm living my best life. I told y'all I'm living my best life. I made a couple L's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, it's like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed like. You don't like money.
Alright, so let me tell y'all bullshit. I could have sworn I wear everything in an American size 6 or US size 6, and everything is a size 10. I don't wear a fucking 10. I know I had that shit in American sizes or US sizes and everything. Look at these motherfucking pics. What am I doing with this? Who fit in this? Who is wearing this? I put 6. I put 6. I know I put a 6. These motherfuckers. This is a 6. This is a 10. I can't do nothing with that. These are also a 10. Can't do nothing with that. This is a dress, and it's supposed to be a bodycon. Also a 10. What am I supposed to do with this? What am I supposed to do? I don't know. And this is a medium. I can fit the medium. A 10. Another 10. Another 10. I could fit 4 things out of my whole order. Now I know I pressed a 6. At least an 8. I ain't never been a 10. I have never been a 10. Who put these UK sizes in? Because it wasn't me. Now I'm pissed. I'm still trying what I got. But they played me. I should have been open that shit. It gotta go back. It gotta go back. That's why you shouldn't order stuff in the middle of the motherfucking thing. Let me try on the things that I can't fit and the things that I can. I'll put the shirt on. Alright, so this is my Wu-Tang shirt. It says Wu-Tang Clan 36 Chambers. It fits. This is a size small. I prefer medium in certain clothes. This is a harness. How we put this on? I don't remember. I had to go back to the picture to figure out what it looked like because I completely forgot. So these straps are this, and this goes around the back. So, around the back, if you can see that, and then front. And then it pulls to the front. So yeah, this is it, front. And this is the back. Oh, I should have took the tag off, but I'm gonna hide it instead. In the back. Lean back, lean back, lean back. Yeah, so I do like this one item. It is still kind of big. Was this a one size? This is a one size fits all. So if you are on the smaller side, I really probably wouldn't recommend this because it won't get too tight on you. Sweatshirt. It says Pretty Little Thing on the front. It's just a regular sweatshirt. I just thought it was kind of cute to wear it. Let me turn towards the camera so you can see the words. Yeah. This shirt is so goddamn tight. My breast is like flat. Like they non-existent basically. This shirt, I had to fight to get it on because it's so damn tight. If I wear this shirt, I need to lose weight because I cannot fit this shirt. Like, I cannot fit this shirt. This is the back of it. And let me tell you something. It ain't even a shirt. It's a whole bodysuit. But who about to clip that? And it's a thong. I ain't clipping that. I'm good. I can't even fit this. I need to lose weight in my arms because it's cutting off my circulation. Look at that. Y'all see that? My circulation is being cut. Okay, so y'all see that word highlighted? Shape. That's one you don't fit shit. If you order something from Pretty Little Thing and it says shape, you will not be able to fit it. I don't know what they put shape for, but it is not to shape the curves of your body. It is to make you feel fat as shit when you get the clothes, okay? These are a size 6 US and a size 10 UK. So these fit. I don't think I'm satisfied with them though, because this was not the material I wanted. I thought it was gonna be a cloth track pant, and it's not. But they're still really cute, and I can still dress them. But I would have preferred a cloth. So it's like this, like nylon material, polyesterish. I don't know the name of these fabrics, but it's not what I expected. And these are how the pants look. They have a nice tight waist area if I wanted to wear them low, but I don't wear them low because I got a muffin top if I do. So if I lost some weight, then maybe, but not. Yeah, so until I lose my muffin top, high waist, and they go high waist anyway. So I'm satisfied, but not satisfied 100%. The waist is supposed to be tight, and this is got too much room. Like, even in my legs, it's not supposed to be this big. So, like, I still have so much extra space. So, these are not for me. Especially because they're not supposed to be baggy. I don't want baggy pants. I want tight pants. I need to show this ass off. A 6. And a 10. So a UK 10, US 6. So this tag will come like this. And it says 10 here. So that's what I was flipping out. And then when you look in the pants, this has UK 10, US 6. Unfortunately for me, these are just 10. So it's no US size 10 or UK size 10. It's just a 10 and I cannot fit them. So when I seen the label and I took them out the bag, they were definitely too big. But these pants I can fit. I am satisfied with how they look. They have pockets, but the pockets aren't huge, so it's not like a great pocket. But you can still put things in the pockets, so that's all that matters. I plan on wearing this with like a top. A tight crop, maybe some heels. So these pants look good. This is the back. They say don't rip this off unless you really want it. So good news, because I was upset, y'all. I was upset. I'm feeling this dress. I still don't like the color, but it's cute. It look nice on me. It says Pretty Little Thing going down the leg. Because that's what I am, y'all. The back. The problem with this dress, it is very much see-through. So you can see my nips. I don't know if you can see my nips because I'm not that close to you. But I can see them through the dress. I can also see my underwear. The lines. Of course, the line and the words, because I have on some pink drawers. Well, you know, Victoria's Secret pink. So you see pink going across my ass. But it looks good. This is cute. This is a look. Yes. Yes, dress. Here is a bodysuit for the purpose of the video. I'm showing you it without pants on, and I buttoned it. I never button my bodysuits because I don't like it. It's normally very uncomfortable because they're not too considerate if you have a large butt. So, but this one is actually fairly loose. So like, if my butt was much bigger, I'd have more space. So I'm satisfied with this. It looks cute, like a little bathing suit or something, like I'm gonna go swimming. The back, I'll definitely be wearing this with pants. So, yeah. But I'm glad this is also a UK size 10, but US 6. So, they better have, if my whole order was messed up, I would have had to fight everybody a pretty little thing. But yeah, so I'm happy now, y'all. It's also a bodysuit. However, it's a thong, so not showing y'all my butt like that. Y'all seen enough of it. So yeah, this is it. It fits really well. However, I'm gonna definitely need some tape because it's either my whole thing just gonna flip out the top or it's gonna fall out. And I don't want to demonstrate because I know my luck, it would. But this thing is KU, y'all. So let me show you with my pants. Look how cute. I like this so much. I'm so happy, y'all. So it was a good thing that I decided to keep checking my bags or checking my items. I did get really upset when I noticed that the one pair of pants was a 10 that I could not fit. And it made me assume that everything else wasn't going to be able to fit because it was a size 10. But now I'm happy to have went through everything and to see that some of the things were US size 6 and they do fit. So I'm happy for that. It's really a relief because that was just very stressful. Like if you get upset like I did, I wound up taking a break. So I walked away, was off camera for a while. I expressed how upset I was to a few people, and then I came back to it and I went through my items some more to only find out that some of my products or majority of my products are my actual size except for the one pair of pants. So it was a lesson here. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning in and look out for more.